Are you having problems with Ticketmaster verification code not sending and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix it. So the first thing you're going to try, and this might seem a little bit like basic, I guess, but you need to double check so that you have actually written the exact number that you actually have. So make sure to double check once again that your mobile phone number that you have written to Ticketmaster, that it actually is correct. And if it is correct and you're still not getting any text message, you're not getting any verification code, well, then what you're going to do, you're going to open up the settings app on your phone. So go into your settings app, and now in here, as you can see, you should be able to see this page right here. Scroll down just a little bit and click on mobile services in here, as you can see. Then in here, you're just going to click on your number in here down below. As you can see, it says SIMs, and then you will be able to see your primary number. So click on it. And as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. And as you can see on the top in here, the second one, it says like this, turn on this line. So for some reason mine was actually off, so I had to actually turn this one back on again. And you can also try, if you want, so you can try to turn it off and turn it back on again and see if that can also fix this bug. But for me, this was just turned off, so I had to turn it on, and then it worked. Then you can just request them to send you another another verification code, and that worked for me. But if that also still is not working for you, well, it might be that the location that you currently are in actually have a very bad signal as well, just so you know. So try to get to a location that might have like a little bit better, stronger signal, and try once again. That can also fix this problem. But hopefully this video will be able to fix this issue for you.